Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to change your email on Venmo in 2025. Whether you're updating for better security, switching to a new address, or just cleaning up your account, this process is quick and easy. By the end of this video, you'll have it sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Venmo app or website. If you haven't updated the app lately, go ahead and do that now. Venmo's 2025 version has some slick new features that make this even simpler. Once you're in, head over to your profile. You can find this by tapping the icon in the top corner that looks like a person or your initials. Next, scroll down to the Settings section. It's usually labeled as Account Settings or something similar. Here, look for Personal Information or Contact Details. That's where you'll find your current email address. Tap on it and you'll see an option to edit. Enter your new email address carefully. Double-check for typos to avoid any verification issues. After you save the changes, Venmo will send a verification code to your new email. Open that email, click the link or enter the code in the app to confirm. This step is crucial for security, so don't skip it. If you run into any hiccups, like an error message, it might be because the email is already in use or not supported. In that case, try a different one or contact Venmo support through their help center. Pro tip: always keep your contact info up to date to ensure you don't miss important notifications or payments. Once you're verified, you're all set. Your new email is now linked to your account. There you have it, folks. Changing your email on Venmo in 2025 is a breeze. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay connected and safe online. See you in the next video.